Okay, so let's try to make the exact comic strip that we want. That is all that is only in one page. Okay, so of course, if we are going to convert our PowerPoint into portable network graphic PNG, okay, as they call it, you will find it in your file. Okay, all of this being converted to PNG. So all of the slides. So what we're going to do next is to open a file, okay, a document, okay, and then of course let's set up the layout for let's do the landscape, and then uh, let's set up the margin into 1.27 centimeters. Okay, so in that way, and then let's insert tables, at least 9 slides. Okay, and then try to adjust the the lines, okay, the border into a certain level of thickness, especially the borders, not necessarily the borders, how do I call that? Okay, so let's try this. Okay, the width of the lines. Okay, so maybe we can use a bit yeah, thicker lines. Okay, and then okay, so trying to show you this. Okay, okay, let's try to open the. Okay, let's wait lang. How am I going to do this? Okay, this one. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so let's try to put all the slides here. Okay po, or the pictures. Okay, so let's try to insert them one by one. Okay, we can try to insert the pictures actually from the device, from this device. Okay, and let's just try to adjust the pictures. Okay, sige, so let's try to do it and see how it will look like. Okay, because since we want it to look like it says a comic strip. Okay. So we begin with our title. Okay. So since it has become big like this, of course we need to adjust the pictures. Okay. However, it's actually in this portion, so we need to cut it and put it on the first slide, on the first box. Okay, so it should show this way. So let's just try to adjust it. Okay, so see, okay, a little more. Okay, okay. Then let's go to the next. Uh, so you should arrange the sequence of the story. Okay, so let's just copy this and then go to the next. Okay, of course we need to make adjustments. Okay, let's just adjust the picture. Ayan. Yun. Ayan. Okay, again, and then we continue adjusting it. until we see at least the proportion, if they are proportion to each other. Okay, and then try to get the next picture for that copy. So let's just try to copy it and then copy paste. Okay, so we try to do the same with the rest of the pictures until we see all of them in one page. Okay, and of course we want them to fit into the okay. So yeah, now you try to make um try to put all the slides on exact order. Okay, let's try to put all of them. Okay, next slide. Okay, that's how what we're going to do until we cover all the boxes. Make sure that we always adjust all the pictures that we need according to the size. Okay, okay, that's it. And then go to the next. So it's a bit, it will take you some time to put all the pictures. Okay, but of course, we need to be a little show a little patience on this because we are trying to go over the slides one by one. Okay, don't worry, it will take you some time before you finish all the okay, so we still have 3 more pictures. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so for those who do not want to, for those who have no actually no, not necessarily no talent, however, if you have difficulty in drawing or getting a nice picture for your nice drawing for your comic strip, that's the easiest way to do. Use applications like the Canva. Okay, so you can find a lot of pictures there and which can be suitable for your which be suitable for your comic strip. And then just try to be a little more imaginative, okay, on how you are going to do your comic strip. Okay, ayan. Okay, so in this way, actually, as you can see, okay, one by one, if we can actually see them now, no? Okay, yeah. So we still have two more pictures to go before we completely, we, we completely finish, uh, complete all the pictures. Okay. Because this is how I want it to be done. Okay. Yeah, maybe there is some other way, the easiest way. However, what I am teaching you right now is the way how I can do it. Okay, in this way. Okay, but if you have your easiest way, try. You can also adopt your own way to do your comic strip. Okay, So let's have the last one. And then make some adjustments. Here it is. Of course, let's try to pull the picture a bit. Okay, and see. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is how exactly how it should look like. Okay, so it's already almost like a comic strip. Okay, now we are going to save this document into PNG so that it would look like one picture. Okay, then we try to save it. So we'll just try to Courageous Life. So let's try to rename our file Courageous Life of Grace comic strip. Okay, and then instead of saving it to a Word document, we save it to a PNG. Let's see if it can be saved to PNG. Oh, we do not have a PNG, but we have a PDF. Okay, so let's save it in PDF. Okay, so if it is saved in PDF, therefore, actually, we can adjust the size of this. Okay, get a screenshot of this. Get a screenshot, control, and then the screenshot. And let's move to Paint. Okay, and